Welcome to the Wisconsin. The Rock County Sheriff's Department has issued an advisory to stay off the roads.
This ain't done. It's not going to stop till 6 o'clock tonight. Yeah. You're going to be plowing for this year?
Oh yeah, I got to plow tonight.
Well, you don't have to plow the Lynn Street. I took care of, well, I don't know about now, but I'll be shoveling it anyway.
Oh, dude, you know how dangerous it is out there? Not bad at all. Dude, I seen a car just up there by Craig Tennis Parks. All up in that, you know, that fucking house right there in the corner that's got like the triple lot and they got like fucking 3 living rooms. You know which one I'm talking, all brick, white and red.
Yeah.
There's a car laying up in there talking snow day. That person went around that S curve when it comes to the stop sign on the 4-way. They wiped out right before the curve. It was right at the start of the curve.
We've seen cars pull up at the gas station, get some gas. They couldn't even pull away from the pump.
Right. Add more gas.
Yeah. You know what, I know. You know what it's like, man. You got to keep the motion going. Stop signs and shit in this weather. It's like martial law.
What is it? Your roads aren't clear?
That's right. Then your traffic signs aren't 13-handed.
They got stop signs.
Here they are ahead up on the right.
This road got plowed. That one? I don't know.
I can't believe how much snow I'm standing in right now. A little bit. Not too bad.
Pull it up, Jimmy, right here. If we have to, we'll push it in.
Can I just turn into the driveway?
No, Bob, pull up here so we can.
Back in. Okay,
Yeah, so if it gets stuck.
we can always...
Many multiple motorists have been stranded in northern Rock County and southern Sauk County. They've called out the National Guards to bring out snowmobiles to deliver food and water to these people.